preparation, as I mentioned earlier, that I will make you go through this filtering step. So now, how do we like? Why exactly are we using? Why do we need a filter? Imagine you are listening with a stethoscope. Do you care about the sounds of the patient's heart? Not really. In this particular case, you want lung sounds, and what you care about are high pitched noise from the microphone. No, you want lung sounds here. And after doing detailed literature review, we came to know that lung sounds are concentrated between either 150 or 250 hertz to 2000 hertz, and below 150 hertz body movements and electric hum, and above 2000 hertz is microphone hiss and noise. Only that range means you're way tuned to the correct frequency. We use a 10th order Butterworth filter. Why Butterworth? Because it is transparent, meaning it